The Enforcement Directorate team that has recently raided AAP MLA Amanatullah Khan's residence situated in Okhla this morning reached there at around 6:15 a.m. today but were not let in immediately. We are getting to know that there was a confrontation between the two parties and finally at around 8 a.m. they were allowed to enter. Central Investigation Agency ED has also reached Okhla MLA Amanatullah Khan's house to investigate the money laundering case. According to the information that we have, the matter may be related to Waqf Board. ED says that when Amanatullah Khan was the chairman of the Waqf Board, he illegally appointed 32 persons in the violation of the rules and the government guidelines set during his tenure. According to the sources, Amanatullah Khan is also accused of illegally renting out several properties of Delhi Waqf Board. Along with this, the MLA has also been accused of misusing the money of the Delhi Waqf Board. The agency has named 5 people in its prosecution complaint that included 3 alleged associates of Khan: Zishan, Haider, Daud Nasir and Javed Imam Siddiqui. The ED, which earlier conducted raids on the premises of the legislator, has claimed that Khan acquired huge proceeds of crime in cash through illegal recruitment of staff in Delhi Waqf Board and invested those to purchase immovable assets in the name of his associates. Meanwhile, the BJP has hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party following this development. Let's in fact listen into what Amanatullah Khan has said and how the BJP has responded to the development this morning.
देखिए, इस वक्त जो है 7 बजे हैं और ईडी वाले मेरे घर पे सर्च वारंट के नाम पर मुझे अरेस्ट करने के लिए आए हैं। मेरी मदर इन लॉ, उनको कैंसर है, अभी 4 दिन पहले उनका ऑपरेशन हुआ है, वो भी मेरे घर पर हैं और मैंने इनको लिखा भी था और हर नोटिस का जवाब मैंने इनको दिया है। जब ये मुझे नोटिस कर रहे हैं तो सर्च वारंट के नाम पर सिर्फ इनका मकसद मुझे गिरफ्तार करना है, हमारे कामों को रोकना है। पिछले 2 साल से मुस्तकिल ये लोग मुझे परेशान कर रहे हैं, फर्जी मुकदमात लगा रहे हैं, आए दिन कोई ना कोई उलझन परेशानी खड़ी कर रहे हैं और मुझे ही नहीं, मेरी पूरी पार्टी को। मुख्यमंत्री जी जेल के अंदर हैं, अभी मुख्यमंत्री जेल से आए हैं, संजय सिंह जेल से आए हैं और सत्येंद्र जैन जेल में हैं और अब ये मुझे गिरफ्तार करना चाहते हैं। सिर्फ इनका मकसद है कि हम लोगों को तोड़ना और हमारी पार्टी को तोड़ना। तो मैं आप लोगों से, ओखला की आवाम से अपने लिए दुआ की दरख्वास्त करता हूं और मैं आपको वादा करता हूं कि जो भी काम अधूरे हैं वो मैं और मेरी पूरी टीम और मेरी पूरी पार्टी, मेरी पूरी सरकार एक एक काम आप लोगों को कराएंगी। आप लोगों को परेशान या घबराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हम लोग टूटने वाले इनसे नहीं हैं।
आम आदमी पार्टी में एक लंबी जमात अपराधियों और भ्रष्टाचारियों की है और जब उन पर कानून कार्रवाई करता है तो ये चिल्लाने लगते हैं। दिल्ली वक्फ बोर्ड जैसी संस्था में भ्रष्टाचार करने वाले, गबन करने वाले अमानतुल्लाह खान, जो गाहे बगाहे अपनी गुंडई के लिए चर्चा में भी रहते हैं, आज जब जांच एजेंसी अपनी कार्रवाई कर रही है तो अब देखिए चारों तरफ हो हल्ला। अरे अगर आपने चोरी की है, अपराध किया है तो आपको उसका जवाब देना पड़ेगा। क्यों? क्योंकि इस देश में कानून का शासन है और कानून मियां सबके लिए बराबर है। आम आदमी पार्टी।
All right, viewers. Now, Brian Thomas, my colleague, joins me on the broadcast on this very latest development that's breaking at this point of time. Brian, as you join us from the residence of AAP MLA Amanatullah Khan, what is exactly the situation that's prevailing at this point of time? What we are picking up from the sources is also indeed that an altercation in fact also happened this morning after the ED teams and officials had reached the residence of AAP MLA and then they were allowed to enter the residence. Whereas there are these allegations by Amanatullah Khan against the ED for registering a fraud case and putting him behind the bars, the BJP is constantly trying to attack the AAP MLA and the Aam Aadmi Party for doing corruption in various sectors. Brian, over to you.
Well, Simran, definitely, at around 6:15 a.m., the ED reached Amanatullah Khan's residence and they went up there. This is the very first floor where Amanatullah Khan, the MLA, stays. Even though, yes, definitely the ED team were not allowed, and there was a confrontation that happened between the two parties. That was the ED and Amanatullah Khan, and it happened where Amanatullah Khan was inside the residence and the ED officials were outside the residence. There was a confrontation happened, and at around 8:15, the ED team finally reached inside his house, and they had a search warrant. And even to the fact the central agency has reached his house at early around 6 a.m. and even according to the information that we're getting, also the matter may be related to the work board also, and ED will still formally clarify in a short while also. And ED has rather accused Amanatullah Khan of when he was the chairman of the work board, he illegally appointed 32 persons in violation of the rules and government guidelines set during his tenure. If you can see the visuals, you can actually understand there's a paramilitary forces who are outside his residence. There's a proper security that is done. In the stairs also you see Delhi police officials, and also ED officials are inside also. And if we talk about the sources also, Simran, Amanatullah Khan is also accused of illegally renting out several properties also of Delhi Waqf Board. Along with this also, the MLA has also rather been accused of misusing the money of Delhi Waqf Board, and even after which a case was also registered against the MLA under money laundering. And even the agency has named 5 people. You talk about Zishan Haider, Daud Nasir and Javed Imam Siddiqui. And there was, earlier also they conducted several raids on the premises of the legislature. But again, to the fact that you can actually see that paramilitary forces are deployed. If we try to give you a sneak peek also of the inside, you can actually see, in the stairs also, he stays in the first floor, and all till first floor there is paramilitary force that is deployed. You talk about Delhi police officials, you talk about ED officials, they are all deployed inside the residence. And so there was 2 hours of confrontation between both the EDA and Amanatullah Khan, where ED was not allowed to enter his premises because Amanatullah Khan also gave out a statement saying that his mother-in-law is suffered from cancer and had an operation 4 to 5 months back, and he says that he is honest and he has been serving the people honesty, but he says this is what he gets after serving the people, after being honest, because he also hits out at the BJP also. And not just him, you talk about Sanjay Singh, you talk about Manish Sisodia, everyone has given out a statement saying that the BJP is trying to put Amanatullah Khan behind the bars for all the wrong reasons, and they have no proper evidence to put Amanatullah behind the bars. And even Amanatullah Khan, even in a statement also, in a video message also that he posted, he said that he has been honest, he has been he has been serving the people in the right reasons, but BJP is trying to put the BJP is trying to break the party. They are trying to put every one of the ministers, the MLAs inside the very jail. So definitely, if we show you the visuals also and give you a sneak peek also, this is the first floor. This is the very place where Amanatullah Khan is right now in. He's inside, and even his mother-in-law is also in, and even he has been accusing of the ED also to just barge inside, and you can actually see the paramilitary forces are deployed, the ED officials are inside, and also there was a 2-hour confrontation also which led finally at 8 a.m., which started at 6 a.m., which happened till 8 a.m. and finally after 8 a.m. they had search warrants and they went inside Khan's residence, premises rather.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.